It's okay. You're all right. If you're not, you can come back to the field a bit if you want. Fine. Just follow a pattern from the launch back forward or back south. You can just fly that pattern. See, don't worry. It's okay. Just a few bumps. You'll steady it out. Looks pretty strong up there. Hey, let me know if you're happy up there. Move your leg if you're okay. Alright, thank you, Brent. Preventive flying. Break a little bit of that high side if you go a little bit high. Okay, start your left turn. Nice and smooth. Nice and smooth. Good. Alright. So, yeah, exactly. That's about it. Come into the field just slightly and then go back and then head south again. Okay, low surge control. Good. Oh, it looks pretty bumpy up there. Power down slightly. Power down, I want to see this wing move. Okay. I don't know, are you comfortable up there? Okay, I want to, yeah, right, this is about, I don't want to take you winds too higher than this, but just keep flying headwind then, head out over the lines, keep that altitude, don't need to get too high, and that's a good altitude there, so fly south. So a little to your left, head due south, come back around. Maybe there's an elevation that's better for the winds. Maybe a bit lower is nicer, I'm not sure. Because it's pretty smooth down here. So, if you go down just a little bit more, you might find yourself in better air. Okay, if you get close to the mountains, you're probably going to feel more bumps. So, head left. Nice. Winds are picking up here. I'd like to bring you in for landing, Brent. Is that okay? Okay, so out a bit further, set up for landing. It's getting stronger here. Same spot as yesterday. Winds are a little bit more from the west. You're landing a little bit more to the west here. Okay, powered landing. Same spot on the X if you can. Give a little more power. There we go. Get your hands up for full brake authority. A little more power. Yeah, heading a little bit more there. Okay, slow the wing down, slow the wing down, slow the wing down. Good. Nice. Killing it.